Okay, to summarize, we covered some simple, basic core JavaScript syntax. We looked at the if statement, which is the most common conditional. You supply a test, which is usually a Boolean. Is x less than 4? Is y equal to 7? But we saw that you can use some other types that aren't strictly Boolean. We looked at the most common loop. You have an initialization that is executed before the loop ever runs. You have a test that is compared to before each execution of the loop. And you have some update operation that runs after each iteration of the loop. We mentioned the math class. It has math.cosine. It has math.round. It has math.pow for raising something to a power. It has math.square root. But for beginners, in particular, it has math.random, which returns a random number between 0 and 1, which is very useful for making your code variable. If math.random is less than 0.5, do this, else do that, and you can run your code multiple times and have it run both branches of the if statement for practice. Then we looked at how you embed JavaScript in the browser. You use the script tag in the head section. You have the source attribute that typically points at a JavaScript file in a subfolder. And probably you want to use HTML5 syntax, but not necessarily following all of the rules, and certainly not following all of the options that HTML5 has for mixed case or omitting end tags. But you basically write it as if it was XHTML, following the rules of XHTML, but you'll have a few simplifications along the way. Okay, everybody learns better by doing than just by listening. So bring up Firebug, try some things on your own, experiment, but after that, take a look at the source code from the lectures and try some exercises that I've given you at the website. Good luck.